How to delete CapCut application on iPhone device. Are you guys facing issues to delete CapCut app on your mobile device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. Just go over the CapCut application, hold it for a second. As soon as you hold it, you can see the option for edit home screen, look at Face ID and remove app. Click on remove app. Now tap on delete app. Again click on delete. Once you click on delete, the app will instantly delete it from your device. And that's it guys. That's how we're going to delete CapCut on our mobile device. And if you guys have any issues regarding CapCut, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. Bye bye.